Artificial Intelligence in Research Methodology and Software Assisting Research. Table of Contents. Chapter 1. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence in Research Methodology. Definition of Artificial Intelligence. Role of AI in Research Methodology. Advantages of AI in Research. Chapter 2. Machine Learning in Research Methodology. Types of Machine Learning. Applications of Machine Learning in Research. Future of Machine Learning in Research. Chapter 3. Natural Language Processing in Research Methodology. Definition and applications of NLP in research. Advantages and limitations of NLP. Future of NLP in research. Chapter 4. Deep Learning in Research Methodology. Definition and applications of deep learning in research. Advantages and limitations of deep learning. Future of Deep Learning in Research. Chapter 5. Computer Vision in Research Methodology. Definition and applications of computer vision in research. Advantages and limitations of computer vision. Future of computer vision in research. Chapter 6. Big Data Analytics in Research Methodology. Definition and applications of big data analytics in research. Advantages and limitations of big data analytics. Future of big data analytics in research. Chapter 7. Software Assisting Research. Introduction to Research Software. Types of research software. Advantages and limitations of research software. Chapter 8. Data Management Software. Definition and applications of data management software. Advantages and limitations of data management software. Future of data management software. Chapter 9. Statistical Software. Definition and applications of statistical software. Advantages and limitations of statistical software. Future of statistical software. Chapter 10. Qualitative Analysis Software. Definition and applications of qualitative analysis software. Advantages and limitations of qualitative analysis software. Future of qualitative analysis software. Chapter 11. Ethical Considerations in AI and Research. Ethical Concerns with AI in Research. Regulations and Guidelines for AI and Research. Future Considerations for Ethical AI in Research. Chapter 12. Conclusion. Recap of key themes and insights. Future directions for AI and research methodology. Final thoughts and conclusion. Conclusion. The use of artificial intelligence in research methodology and software assisting research is rapidly advancing, with new applications and techniques being developed all the time. AI has the potential to greatly improve the accuracy, efficiency, and effectiveness of research, and researchers must continue to stay up to date with these advances and work to ensure that AI is used in a way that is fair, ethical, and legal. By leveraging the power of AI in research, researchers can gain new insights, develop new theories, and make important discoveries that can have a significant impact on society. Chapter 1. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence in Research Methodology. Artificial intelligence is a rapidly growing field that has the potential to revolutionize the way research is conducted across various disciplines. AI refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making. In research methodology, AI can be used to automate tasks, analyze large data sets, and provide insights that may not be easily identified through traditional research methods. This can lead to more efficient and accurate research outcomes, allowing researchers to gain new insights and make important discoveries. One of the main advantages of AI in research methodology is its ability to process and analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately. This can help researchers identify patterns, correlations, and trends that may be missed using traditional methods. AI can also be used to automate repetitive tasks, such as data entry and analysis, freeing up researchers' time to focus on more complex tasks. There are several different types of AI that can be used in research methodology, including machine learning, natural language processing, deep learning, and computer vision. Each of these types of AI has its own strengths and limitations, and researchers must carefully consider which approach is best suited for their research needs. As AI technology continues to advance, it is important for researchers to stay up to date with the latest developments and explore new ways to incorporate AI into their research methodology. However, it is also important to be aware of the ethical and legal implications of using AI in research and ensure that it is used in a way that is fair, ethical, and legal. Overall, the introduction of AI in research methodology has the potential to greatly enhance the quality and efficiency of research, allowing researchers to gain new insights and make important discoveries that can have a significant impact on society. Chapter 2, Definition of Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making. AI involves the development of algorithms and computer programs that can perform these tasks autonomously without human intervention. There are several different types of AI, including rule-based systems, decision trees, and machine learning. Rule-based systems use a set of predetermined rules to make decisions, while decision trees use a hierarchical structure to make decisions based on data inputs. Machine learning, on the other hand, involves the use of algorithms to analyze large data sets and identify patterns and correlations that can be used to make predictions and inform decision making. One of the key characteristics of AI is its ability to learn and adapt. Machine learning algorithms can be trained on large data sets to improve their accuracy and effectiveness over time. This allows machines to continually improve their performance and make better decisions. AI has a wide range of applications across various industries, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. In healthcare, for example, AI can be used to analyze medical images and diagnose diseases, as well as to identify patterns and trends in patient data that can inform treatment decisions. However, there are also concerns about the potential negative impacts of AI, such as the displacement of jobs and the potential for biased decision making. It is important for researchers and developers to consider these ethical and social implications of AI and work to ensure that it is used in a way that is fair, transparent, and accountable. Overall, the definition of artificial intelligence involves the development of machines that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence and has the potential to greatly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of various industries, including research methodology. Chapter 3, Role of AI in Research Methodology. Artificial intelligence has a significant role to play in research methodology, as it has the ability to automate tasks, analyze large data sets, and provide insights that may not be easily identified through traditional research methods. This can lead to more efficient and accurate research outcomes, allowing researchers to gain new insights and make important discoveries. One of the primary roles of AI in research methodology is its ability to analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately. This is particularly useful in fields such as genomics, where large data sets are common and the analysis of this data can be time-consuming and complex. AI can be used to identify patterns and correlations in the data and provide insights that may not be easily identified through traditional research methods. AI can also be used to automate repetitive tasks, such as data entry and analysis, freeing up researchers' time to focus on more complex tasks. This can improve the efficiency and accuracy of research, as well as allowing researchers to explore new research questions that may have been previously unattainable due to time constraints. Another important role of AI in research methodology is its ability to make predictions and identify trends. Machine learning algorithms can be trained on large data sets to identify patterns and correlations that can be used to make predictions and inform decision making. This can be particularly useful in fields such as finance and economics, where accurate predictions are critical for making informed decisions. However, it is important to note that AI is not a replacement for human expertise and judgment. While AI can provide valuable insights and automate certain tasks, it cannot replace the creativity and critical thinking skills of human researchers. Researchers must work to strike a balance between utilizing the capabilities of AI and maintaining the necessary human expertise and judgment. Overall, the role of AI in research methodology is to improve the efficiency, accuracy, and effectiveness of research outcomes. As AI technology continues to advance, researchers must stay up to date with the latest developments and explore new ways to incorporate AI into their research methodology. Chapter 4, Advantages of AI in Research. Artificial intelligence has numerous advantages in research methodology as it has the ability to automate tasks, analyze large data sets, and provide insights that may not be easily identified through traditional research methods. Some of the key advantages of AI in research include: 1. Improved accuracy and efficiency. AI can analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately, freeing up researchers' time to focus on more complex tasks. This can lead to more efficient research outcomes as well as more accurate data analysis. 2. Faster discovery of insights. AI can identify patterns and correlations in large datasets that may not be easily identified through traditional research methods. This can lead to faster discovery of insights and new research questions. 3. Cost savings. Automating tasks and analyzing data using AI can reduce the need for manual labor and decrease overall research costs. 4. Increased productivity. By automating repetitive tasks, AI can increase researchers' productivity and allow them to focus on more complex tasks that require human expertise and judgment. 5. Personalized research. AI can be used to tailor research methods and insights to specific individuals or groups, allowing for more personalized research outcomes. 6. Improved decision making. Machine learning algorithms can be trained on large datasets to make predictions and inform decision making. This can be particularly useful in fields such as finance and economics, where accurate predictions are critical for making informed decisions. Overall, the advantages of AI in research are significant and have the potential to greatly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of research outcomes. However, it is important for researchers to carefully consider the ethical and social implications of using AI in research and work to ensure that it is used in a way that is fair, transparent, and accountable. Chapter 5, Machine Learning in Research Methodology. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that involves the use of algorithms to identify patterns and correlations in large data sets. ML has numerous applications in research methodology, particularly in fields where large amounts of data are common. ML algorithms can be trained on large datasets to identify patterns and correlations that can be used to make predictions and inform decision making. One of the primary benefits of ML in research methodology is its ability to analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately. This can lead to more efficient research outcomes as well as more accurate data analysis. ML can also be used to automate repetitive tasks, such as data entry and analysis, freeing up researchers' time to focus on more complex tasks. ML algorithms can also be used to identify patterns and correlations that may not be easily identified through traditional research methods. This can lead to faster discovery of insights and new research questions. ML can also be used to make predictions and inform decision making, particularly in fields such as finance and economics, where accurate predictions are critical for making informed decisions. However, it is important to note that ML is not a replacement for human expertise and judgment. While ML can provide valuable insights and automate certain tasks, it cannot replace the creativity and critical thinking skills of human researchers. Researchers must work to strike a balance between utilizing the capabilities of ML and maintaining the necessary human expertise and judgment. Overall, the use of ML in research methodology has the potential to greatly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of research outcomes. As ML technology continues to advance, researchers must stay up to date with the latest developments and explore new ways to incorporate ML into their research methodology. Chapter 6, Types of Machine Learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that involves the use of algorithms to identify patterns and correlations in large datasets. There are three main types of ML: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. 1. Supervised learning. Supervised learning involves the use of labeled datasets to train ML algorithms. The algorithm is provided with input data and corresponding output data, and it learns to make predictions based on this information. Supervised learning is commonly used in fields such as image recognition, natural language processing, and speech recognition. 2. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning involves the use of unlabeled datasets to train ML algorithms. The algorithm is provided with input data but not corresponding output data, and it must identify patterns and correlations on its own. Unsupervised learning is commonly used in fields such as anomaly detection, clustering, and dimensionality reduction. 3. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning involves the use of trial and error to train ML algorithms. The algorithm is provided with a set of possible actions and must learn through trial and error which actions will lead to the desired outcome. Reinforcement learning is commonly used in fields such as robotics, gaming, and autonomous vehicles. In addition to these three main types of ML, there are also several subtypes and variations, such as semi-supervised learning, transfer learning, and deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of ML that involves the use of neural networks to identify patterns and correlations in large datasets. Deep learning is commonly used in fields such as computer vision, speech recognition, and natural language processing. Overall, the type of ML used in research methodology will depend on the specific research question and the available data. Researchers must carefully consider which type of ML is most appropriate for their research question and work to ensure that the algorithms are trained on high quality data that is representative of the population being studied. Chapter 8: Future of Machine Learning in Research. Machine learning is a rapidly evolving field that is expected to have a significant impact on research methodology in the years to come. Here are some potential future developments in the field of ML and their potential applications in research. 1. Explainable AI. One of the challenges with using ML algorithms in research is that they can be difficult to interpret. As ML algorithms become more complex, it becomes increasingly important to be able to explain how they arrive at their conclusions. Explainable AI is a field that seeks to develop algorithms that are more transparent and easier to interpret. This could be particularly useful in fields such as healthcare and finance, where decisions based on ML algorithms can have significant consequences. 2. Transfer learning. Transfer learning is a technique that allows ML algorithms to apply knowledge gained from one task to another related task. This can be useful in situations where large amounts of data are not available for a particular task. For example, ML algorithms trained on images of one type of cancer could be transferred to another type of cancer with similar features. 3. Federated learning. Federated learning is a technique that allows ML algorithms to be trained on data that is distributed across multiple locations without the need to share the data itself. This could be particularly useful in fields such as healthcare, where privacy concerns make it difficult to share patient data. 4. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is a field that seeks to develop computers that use quantum mechanical phenomena to perform calculations. This could significantly speed up the training of ML algorithms and enable the processing of larger amounts of data. 5. Continual learning. Continual learning is a technique that allows ML algorithms to learn continuously from new data over time, without the need to retrain the algorithm from scratch. This could be particularly useful in situations where the data is constantly changing or evolving, such as in financial markets or social media. These are just a few potential future developments in the field of ML. As the field continues to evolve, researchers will undoubtedly find new and innovative ways to incorporate ML into their research methodology. Chapter 9: Ethical Considerations in AI and Research. Artificial intelligence is an incredibly powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize research in many fields. However, the use of AI in research also raises a number of ethical concerns that must be taken into account. Here are some of the most important ethical considerations to keep in mind when using AI in research. 1. Bias. One of the most significant ethical concerns with AI is the potential for bias. ML algorithms are only as good as the data they are trained on, and if the data is biased in some way, the algorithm will produce biased results. It is therefore important to carefully consider the source of the data used to train AI algorithms and to take steps to mitigate any bias that may be present. 2. Privacy. Another important ethical consideration is privacy. AI algorithms often require access to large amounts of personal data in order to function effectively, and this data must be handled in a way that protects the privacy of individuals. It is important to have robust data protection policies in place to ensure that personal data is not misused or mishandled. 3. Transparency. Transparency is another important ethical consideration when using AI in research. Researchers must be transparent about how AI algorithms are being used, what data is being collected and analyzed, and how the results are being interpreted. This is especially important when AI is used in decision-making processes that could have significant consequences. So, informed consent. Informed consent is a fundamental ethical principle in research, and it is just as important when using AI. Participants must be fully informed about how their data will be used and must give their explicit consent before their data is collected and analyzed. 5. Accountability. Finally, accountability is an important ethical consideration when using AI in research. Researchers must be accountable for the decisions made by AI algorithms and must take responsibility for any harm that may result from their use. In conclusion, AI has the potential to revolutionize research in many fields, but it is important to carefully consider the ethical implications of its use. By being transparent, protecting privacy, and ensuring that data is not biased, researchers can help ensure that AI is used in a responsible and ethical way. Chapter 9. Ethical Concerns with AI in Research. Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that has the potential to transform research in many fields, including medicine, engineering, and social sciences. However, the use of AI in research also raises a number of ethical concerns that need to be taken into account. Here are some of the key ethical concerns associated with AI in research. 1. Bias. One of the most significant ethical concerns with AI in research is the potential for bias. AI algorithms rely on large amounts of data to make predictions or decisions, and if the data used to train the algorithm is biased, then the results produced by the algorithm may also be biased. This can have serious consequences, particularly in areas such as healthcare or criminal justice. 2. Privacy. AI algorithms often require access to large amounts of personal data to function effectively, and this can raise concerns about privacy. Researchers must ensure that they have robust data protection policies in place to prevent misuse or mishandling of personal data. This is particularly important when it comes to sensitive data, such as medical records or criminal records. 3. Transparency. Transparency is another important ethical concern when using AI in research. Researchers must be transparent about how they are using AI algorithms, what data they are collecting and analyzing, and how they are interpreting the results. This is especially important when AI is used in decision-making processes that could have significant consequences, such as healthcare decisions or criminal justice. So, informed consent. Informed consent is a fundamental ethical principle in research, and it is just as important when using AI. Participants must be fully informed about how their data will be used and must give their explicit consent before their data is collected and analyzed. This is particularly important when it comes to sensitive data or data that could be used to make decisions that could affect the participant's life. 5. Accountability. Finally, accountability is an important ethical concern when using AI in research. Researchers must be accountable for the decisions made by AI algorithms and must take responsibility for any harm that may result from their use. This includes being transparent about the limitations of AI algorithms and taking steps to mitigate the potential for harm. In conclusion, AI has the potential to revolutionize research in many fields, but it is important to carefully consider the ethical implications of its use. By being transparent, protecting privacy, and ensuring that data is not biased, researchers can help ensure that AI is used in a responsible and ethical way. Chapter 10: Regulations and Guidelines for AI in Research. As the use of artificial intelligence in research continues to grow, there is a need for clear regulations and guidelines to ensure that AI is used ethically and responsibly. In this chapter, we will explore some of the key regulations and guidelines that govern the use of AI in research. 1. General Data Protection Regulation. The GDPR is a regulation that came into effect in 2018 and governs the collection, processing, and storage of personal data in the European Union. It requires organizations to obtain explicit consent from individuals before collecting their data and gives individuals the right to access and control their data. 2. Institutional review boards, IRBs, are committees that review research proposals to ensure that they meet ethical guidelines and do not pose undue risks to participants. IRBs play a crucial role in ensuring that AI is used in a responsible and ethical way in research. 3. National Institutes of Health Guidelines. The NIH has published guidelines on the use of AI in research, which cover issues such as data sharing, bias, and transparency. These guidelines provide a framework for researchers to ensure that AI is used in a responsible and ethical way. For the Belmont Report, the Belmont Report is a foundational document that outlines ethical principles and guidelines for research involving human subjects. It emphasizes the importance of informed consent, confidentiality, and respect for participants. 5. The Helsinki Declaration. The Helsinki Declaration is a statement of ethical principles for medical research involving human subjects. It covers issues such as informed consent, risk-benefit analysis, and confidentiality. 6. The Nuremberg Code. The Nuremberg Code is a set of ethical guidelines that were developed in response to the unethical medical experiments conducted by the Nazis during World War II. It emphasizes the importance of informed consent, voluntary participation, and minimizing harm to participants. In conclusion, there are a number of regulations and guidelines that govern the use of AI in research. These regulations and guidelines emphasize the importance of ethical principles such as informed consent, privacy, and transparency. By adhering to these principles, researchers can ensure that AI is used in a responsible and ethical way in research. Chapter 11: Future Considerations for Ethical AI in Research. As the use of artificial intelligence in research continues to evolve, there are several future considerations that must be taken into account to ensure that AI is used in an ethical and responsible manner. 1. Bias and fairness. AI models can be biased if they are trained on biased data or if the algorithms used to train them are biased. This can lead to unfair outcomes for certain groups. To address this, researchers must ensure that AI models are trained on diverse and representative data and that the algorithms used are transparent and accountable. 2. Data privacy. As AI models become more sophisticated, they may be able to identify individuals in ways that were not previously possible. To protect privacy, researchers must ensure that data is anonymized and that only necessary data is collected. 3. Transparency and interpretability. AI models can be difficult to interpret, which can make it difficult to understand how they make decisions. To ensure that AI is used ethically, researchers must ensure that AI models are transparent and that they can be interpreted by humans. For accountability and responsibility, as AI becomes more integrated into research, it is important to establish clear lines of accountability and responsibility. Researchers must ensure that they are responsible for the outcomes of their research and that they are accountable for any negative impacts of their research. 5. Collaboration and education. To ensure that AI is used ethically, it is important for researchers to collaborate with other stakeholders such as data privacy experts, ethicists, and policy makers. Additionally, education and training programs should be developed to ensure that researchers are equipped with the knowledge and skills needed to use AI in an ethical and responsible manner. In conclusion, the use of AI in research presents new ethical challenges that must be addressed to ensure that AI is used in an ethical and responsible manner. Future considerations such as bias and fairness, data privacy, transparency and interpretability, accountability and responsibility, and collaboration and education must be taken into account to ensure that AI is used ethically in research. Chapter 12 Conclusion. Chapter 13 Recap of Key Themes and Insights. Throughout this book, we have explored the various ways in which artificial intelligence is being used in different fields, such as medicine, pathology, forensic medicine, and research methodology. We have discussed the history of AI, the types of AI, and the applications of AI in each of these fields. We have also explored the ethical considerations and future directions of AI in each field. Despite the diversity of the applications and contexts in which AI is being used, there are several key themes and insights that emerge throughout the book. These include 1. The importance of data. AI is only as good as the data it is trained on. Therefore, it is important to ensure that data is accurate, representative, and unbiased. 2. The potential of AI to improve accuracy and efficiency. AI has the potential to improve accuracy and efficiency in various fields such as medical diagnosis and research methodology. 3. The need for human oversight. While AI can automate many tasks, it is important to have human oversight to ensure that decisions made by AI are ethical and responsible. 4. The importance of transparency and interpretability. As AI becomes more integrated into different fields, it is important to ensure that AI models are transparent and interpretable so that decisions can be understood and scrutinized by humans. 5. The ethical considerations. As with any new technology, the use of AI raises ethical considerations that must be taken into account to ensure that AI is used in an ethical and responsible manner. 6. The potential of AI to transform various fields. Despite the challenges and ethical considerations, AI has the potential to transform various fields and improve the quality of life for many individuals. In conclusion, the use of AI is rapidly increasing across various fields and its potential benefits are enormous. However, it is important to approach AI with caution and to ensure that its use is ethical and responsible. By being mindful of the key themes and insights discussed in this book, we can harness the power of AI to improve the quality of life for individuals and society as a whole. Chapter 14 Future Directions for AI and Research Methodology. Artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving and its applications in research methodology are expanding. Here are some future directions for AI and research methodology. 1. Automated literature reviews. AI can be used to streamline the literature review process by identifying relevant studies and extracting relevant data. This will reduce the time and effort required for literature reviews and increase the accuracy of the results. 2. Predictive analytics. AI can be used to predict future trends and outcomes in research methodology. For example, AI can be used to predict the success rate of clinical trials based on previous data. 3. Collaborative research. AI can be used to facilitate collaborative research between researchers across different disciplines and locations. This will increase the efficiency and quality of research by enabling researchers to share data and expertise. 4. Personalized medicine. AI can be used to develop personalized treatment plans based on an individual's genetic makeup and medical history. This will improve the effectiveness of treatment and reduce the risk of adverse side effects. 5. Virtual assistants. AI can be used to develop virtual assistants that can assist researchers in various tasks such as data collection, analysis, and interpretation. 6. Enhanced data visualization. AI can be used to develop advanced data visualization techniques that will enable researchers to analyze and interpret data more effectively. 7. Augmented reality. AI can be used to develop augmented reality tools that will enable researchers to visualize and interact with data in a more immersive and intuitive way. 8. Integration with other technologies. AI can be integrated with other emerging technologies such as blockchain and the Internet of Things to enable more efficient and secure data sharing and analysis. In conclusion, AI has the potential to revolutionize research methodology in various ways, from streamlining literature reviews to enabling personalized medicine. As AI continues to evolve, it will be important to ensure that it is used in an ethical and responsible manner to maximize its potential benefits for research methodology and society as a whole. Chapter 15, Final Thoughts and Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is transforming various fields, including medicine, education, pathology, forensic medicine, and research methodology. Its potential to revolutionize these fields and improve human lives cannot be overstated. In this book, we have explored the various aspects of AI in these fields, including its history, types, applications, and future directions. In medicine, AI is being used for diagnosis, treatment, and drug development. In education, AI is being used to improve teaching and learning outcomes. In pathology, AI is being used for image analysis and interpretation, diagnosis, and automated detection. In forensic medicine, AI is being used for evidence analysis, criminal profiling, and identification. In research methodology, AI is being used to streamline the literature review process, predict outcomes, enable collaborative research, develop personalized medicine, and enhance data visualization. While AI has enormous potential, it is also important to consider the ethical implications and potential risks associated with its use. The responsible and ethical use of AI is critical to ensure that its benefits are maximized while minimizing potential harm. In conclusion, the potential of AI in various fields is enormous, and its use will only continue to expand in the future. However, it is essential that we carefully consider the ethical implications and potential risks of AI and use it in a responsible and ethical manner to ensure that its benefits are realized. Thank you.